Let's look at a demo file, cutpastedemo.txt. So I'll open this file cutpastedemo.txt using the Vim editor. I have here some lines, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, 2 notes and a simple line, and a simple statement. So for doing operations such as cutting and pasting in the Vim editor, we need to type some commands in the command mode. So for going to the command mode, we need to press the escape key on our keyboards. So let's go ahead with the cutting of a statement or cutting of a line. I'll cut my second line or line 2 here. So for cutting it, I'll press DD. And you can see I've already cut it, it's stored in a buffer. Now if I want to paste it at the place where my cursor is currently, I'll just press P. Ta-da! You can see you did the copy paste thing for a single line. Now if you want to do the same thing for multiple lines, like you want to cut line 3, line 4, line 5 together and paste it somewhere. So it's like 3, the number of lines you want to cut, DD. It shows 3 fewer lines, and I want to paste it after line 2. So I'll just move the cursor there and press P for pasting. So it shows line 3, line 4, line 5, the lines that we already cut above, right? So that's how you use the commands DD and P for cutting and pasting in the Vim editor. Thanks for watching.